Hello kids, hope you all best. First we know about color name. Yellow color, green color, pink color, brown color, black color. Now kids, let's start our lesson. Alif, Alif anar. Alif, ba, ba, ta, sa, Jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, shin, zwad, sad, zad, ta, zo, ain, ghain, fa, kaf, kaf, lam, mim, noon, waw, ha, hamza, ya, ya. Now kids, let's start repeat our lesson. Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, shin, swad, zat, ta, za, ain, ghain, fa, kaf, kaf, lam, mim, noon, waw, ha, hamza, ya, ya.